Karma Guy here. Looking for an adventure-ready ride with peace of mind built in? Check out this 2022 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Your next SUV just might be waiting for you. This local trade comes with a clean Carfax and has earned the Carfax seal for regular oil changes. With dealer service history and the original books included, this Bronco Sport is already a standout. Plus, it's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, and you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted rate when you purchase. Want even more confidence? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We're committed to raising the standard in the used auto industry. That's why we've included a recent computer scan in our photos, showing all 8 monitors completed with zero trouble codes, no dash warnings, and a clean bill of health. Don't let a low price cloud your judgment. Quality matters, and this Bronco Sport delivers. Stop by and see why this SUV deserves a spot in your driveway.